Mattis from Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, water jets, lasers, and more since 1954. Today we're going to show you a really nice machine. This is made by Famco. This actually came out of Caltech Institute here in California. Very low use on it. You can tell the table's not been very beaten up, so you can know they haven't been putting too many things on it. Very simple shear. It's got a manual back gauge. We'll go ahead and show you that real quick. Come on back here. You can see all you got to do is turn this guy here. You set up your stop. As soon as you come in and hit your stop, you'll be at the exact same point every time. It's also got a one-shot lube system. And we'll go ahead and cycle it for you. Notice all the hold downs are coming down. Everything's been cleaned, painted, cycled, checked out. All the seals are working well, so there's no leaks. Simple, easy cuts, no burrs. It's absolutely ready to go. Now, if you're interested in this shear or any other, we have a lot of different machines over here, new as well as used. There's a nice Wysong 1010. You can see some Cincinnatis there in the distance, Lodge and Shipley. Mechanical, hydraulic, we have all different types, as well as press brakes, of course. Here's an active press brake. This is actually a used one. You can see the quality of our job that we do over here. A brand new Cincinnati on the floor as well. We'd love to help you out, depending on what you have to buy, sell, or trade. Give us a call, let us know how we can help. 626-444-0311. Check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.